Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do you get rid of bird mites? Getting rid of bird mites to prevent an infestation altogether. Experts recommend that you remove any empty nests or dead birds and get rid of them. Spray your home with effective insecticides like permethrin, S-cyfluthrin, or deltamethrin. Hire a pest control service. Dual Q. 18 1442 A. What kills mites instantly? Sprays and aerosols containing synergized pyrethrins should kill mites immediately on contact, though the treatment will only remain effective for up to a few hours. Insecticide sprays containing permethrin or bifenthrin are effective against many mites and should retain their killing properties for several weeks.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.